Hello everyone, welcome to Geoscience channel. In this course, we will be discussing about seismology, the introduction and different kinds of instruments used in seismology and the applications and the wave formats and different kinds of data processing techniques. So in this series, I will be explaining you about all kinds of instruments, the seismic data type, and the way how to interpret, and also the applications of the seismology in civil engineering, exploration techniques, geology, geophysics, and in other fields also. So in these videos, I'll be showing you some real-time data and real-time equipment. So this particular part, let us go for the introduction. The topics that I will be covered in this series are: first, what is seismology? We know the seismology is study of earthquakes and seismic wave propagation, and we also discuss about the earthquake detection, earth structure imaging, and engineering seismology. And the importance also we are going to discuss in coming videos. So in this we'll focus more on detecting the earthquakes that are occurring both globally and also regionally. And I'll also give you some research examples on volcano monitoring, landslides, and nuclear explosions. And I'll also explain you how this is used in both civil engineering and oil and gas exploration also. So we'll also cover some of the historical background of the old time seismographs and the digital seismographs which we are currently being using. I'll also tell you the difference in other videos, and we can also discuss about the internal structure of the earth, how this internal structure is known using the seismic waves, and how these layers affect the seismic waves or the earthquake waves. We will also discuss about that one. And coming to the seismic wave propagation, we will discuss about the velocity, direction, and also the source or the location from which the earthquake has arrived to the station. We will all discuss in coming videos. And also we will discuss about the type of seismic waves. See, right now you are seeing at a earthquake wave that has reached an instrument. So in the first, it is P wave that hits the instrument, and after that you will have an S wave, and we will also have some surface waves. So in the coming videos, I will also explain you about all different kinds of videos and how to pick the S wave, how to pick the P wave, and how to identify the magnitude of an earthquake. I'll discuss. And I'll also explain about the P waves, S waves, surface waves, and also the comparison of the waves. And I'll also explain about how to read a seismogram. That means how to read that wave graph. And we'll also discuss about the seismic stations. What are the seismic stations? What kind of data it will be recorded, and what are the three components in the seismic station, and also what is an accelerometer in a seismic station, and the GPS and telemetry data logging. Everything will be explained in the next coming videos. And we'll discuss about this applications also, how the seismology is applied in early warning system or earthquakes, aftershock, volcano, landslide monitoring, subsurface exploration, and also for the structural health. That means if there is any structure that is already being constructed, or if there are any structures that are going to be constructed, how we can use this seismology to identify the structural health, so that we can avoid or we can at least save the structures from upcoming earthquakes. And in the last, we'll have a brief video of every particular topic. It can be like real-time data, or sometimes I'll add some photographs, or I'll show some data from other sources, so you can clearly understand what is you are going to learn and what things will be new to you. So if you have any kind of queries, you can give a comment. I'll explain you in detail. And if you like these videos, please do subscribe to Geoscience Engineering channel. Thank you.